Pawns.app Academy. Today, we're diving into Telegram and how to share your referral link and referral videos, from friend/group chats to larger communities. Telegram provides versatile options for spreading the word. Let's get started. Send to a friend or group chat. Number 1, tap the messages button in the top right corner of the screen. Number 2, select a friend you want to share your referral link with and open their chat. Number 3, paste your referral link in the text field below and hit the arrow icon to send it. Number 4, if you want to send a referral video, tap the attach icon. Number 5, select the video from your gallery. Number 6, tap the send button. Join a group and send a link in there. Number 1, at the top, you will see a box titled Search Chats. Number 2, enter your group's name here. Number 3, open the group chat and paste your link in the text box. Tap the send icon when you're done. Number 4, if you want to send a referral video, tap the attach icon. Number 5, select the video from your gallery. Number 6, tap the send button. Remember, if you're sharing a referral link, you should explain what Pawns.app is, how it works, and why it's worth joining. Don't forget to mention the $1 starting bonus for everyone who signs up through your link. If you use referral videos, we do all the work for you. The video explains everything and shows a code people can use when signing up. All you need to do is share it.